I be trying to take my shit to the people who they be saying good. Shit. I don't know how I still be leaving. I still be leaving they shop, no full pass. How can you say it's done and it can't make a full pass? I ain't selling it yet. Right.
I ain't doing no shit. That dude down.
You said J&S Performance, they do good work. Oh, J&S Performance, they do good work. Prime. Oh, that's who did theirs. Oh snap! I got somebody good in here. What's up, J&S? I ain't know you, man. That's how I started. I went to somebody I ain't know. Next thing I know, I done got again. Damn. I done met people steal parts, owe you money, don't want to pay, buy motors, have you buying unnecessary parts, trying to keep your old parts. Well, I done deal with some motherfuckers. Look, got him right here. Now he asking me when my car gonna be ready, see? Look, then I got a person like him ready to get his ass whooped. I'm supposed to be whooping the shit out of him. I ain't went to now shop that can help me whoop his ass yet. He ain't even supposed to be talking to me. He ain't even talking to me. Be doing that shit wrong. I went to a transmission shop and left the transmission shop a quart and a half load of transmission fluid. I done paid. Lane for the win. Yeah. And paid $40 more for the transmission fluid that was in there. Paid $40 for the fluid that was put in. And then still needed a quart and a half more as I left. That's the kind of service I be getting. I gotta fix you right up, buddy. Alright. Don't bring it back, you don't have a warranty. Okay, hey y'all, for my people that's watching on TikTok, we HD right now on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. It's probably running hot. It look like it's water. Yeah, I think it's water pump. I think your belt came out from the water pump and got you hot. Damn, y'all. Belt broke. Yeah, I heard him. No, it's about right. Truck heavy. Truck heavy. Truck heavy. He got that juice button working. Look out, y'all. Y'all on my YouTube channel, right? You on my YouTube channel? Look Out Racing. Look. Make sure y'all delay through Theo. Yeah. Delay through Theo, through Abuelito, everybody. Already, man. Look out. Hey. This is my YouTube channel, man. Give her one, too. Tell her uncle. Let me see who it is right here. Look out, y'all. This is my YouTube channel. Make sure you suscríbete a mi canal. Dile tu tío. Dile tu abuelito. Everybody, okay? And dale me gusta. Make sure you dale. Dale, dale. Okay. Hey, mira. Mira. Okay. Find my other tool. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Mira, mira. It's my YouTube. Suscríbete a mi canal. Yeah. Dile tu tío. And abuelito. Dile, dile. Okay, let me see who else. I need to get all these down here. Hey, all my people that's watching on TikTok, we live on YouTube right now. And I sure wouldn't mind y'all coming on over here subscribing. I need some more subscribers. I've been working hard.
The video?
Yeah, what you gonna put your shout out in?
Hey, subscribe right now and like the video.
Yeah, he wants, see, I told he wants y'all to subscribe and like it too. Mira. Yeah. Let me get this. Oh, my Spanish on point. Mira. This is my YouTube channel. Suscríbete a mi canal. Yeah, dile tu tío. Yeah, and abuelito. Oh, that's my boy right here. Talk your shit. Tell. Yeah, 2 times.
All the way out here, man.
Yeah, all the way.
I just got out of work.
Just got out of work. Work hard in a bit. You hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, overtime. Getting this check on, y'all.
Yeah, we can right.
Yeah, sitting right. Check fat. You know what I'm saying? He ain't got to even pull all of it out the bank. Here, get one of them. All right. I'm gonna have to go around now. Okay.